how to link your Facebook account in Knives Out to secure your progress. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to link your Facebook account in Knives Out, then it is one of the easiest and most reliable way to secure your progress. First things first, launch open the Knives Out game on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. Once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the window icon at the bottom left corner, which looks like this. And once you tap on that, click on the human button on the left-hand menu. And from this pop-up, click on Link Account. After you're inside this page, click the link button right next to the Facebook logo. Now, follow through the on-screen instructions. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials and you'll be able to link Facebook with Knives Out. Now your account progress will be saved and your Facebook profile will appear in the account section. After linking, your progress is safely stored online. Even if you reinstall the game or switch devices, you won't lose your data. So that's how you can easily secure your Knives Out account with Facebook. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.